Alrighty, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. This is James here, and we are doing the recap for the small account challenge. We are on day 26, and another good day, actually. One trade and one trade only that I took. Now, I started this morning with roughly $465, rounded up here. All right, I took one trade, which was Target. And Target, you know, I was scanning and I found it on the 5-minute and 15-minute time frames here. And both of them had a nice little squeeze going on. Okay, you could see here on the 15-minute chart, really, you know, it just entered a squeeze. The momentum was heading back to the upside. Also on the 5-minute, same thing. We were in a squeeze. Momentum crossed over to the upside, started really heading up. So I decided to wait for a pullback to the VWAP or moving average, whatever I could get, preferably VWAP. I like to play the VWAP. So I ended up entering here at, let's see here. I took the October 18th 106 calls, which was roughly an at the money trade. Okay, I took it at 646. So right here where I was watching the 2-minute for the entry, and it pulled back to the 8 moving average. So I went ahead and took those calls. And almost immediately it just took off. It actually fired, but then kind of unfired, if that's a thing, and gained one more squeeze bar before it really took off. And this was another 12-minute trade. Like, I was out before 7 o'clock, so 6:58, you know, right here after this quick run up, as you can see on the 2-minute candle. I ended up getting out right up here, right before it pulled back, and I got 11% on that one. So I made $40 gross, or $50, excuse me, on that trade, and 11% I believe it was here. So it was a quick little trade, and you know, had I held it, we could have gotten a much bigger gain, you know, where it started reaching its highs here. But I didn't. Again, small account challenge. I do know some members wrote it out and actually I think exited more towards its high a day. So congratulations there, guys. But again, short, simple, and quick. This finally put us back over 500. So we're sitting here at 513.48. We are just over halfway back to the $1,000 starting point, and I expect here, let's say if we have a couple of good weeks, you know, we could be back at the 1,000 before the end of the month, and then we can really get going. So so far so good. One trade again, unfortunately, because that's all we really could afford at the time. But once we get back to 1,000, we'll be able to place 2 or 3 trades, or you know, 1 to 2 trades with 2 or more contracts. So ultimately that's the goal. We're getting there. We've had a lot of green days. We're doing really well lately, and I want to keep this momentum going here. So this marks pretty much 1, 2, 3, gosh, let me see. I'm gonna count and see where we're at. We have 24 trades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the red. The rest are green. So we're doing really good. Hope to keep it up here, and I look forward to tomorrow morning. So thank you, everybody. If you like these recaps, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you, and take care.